everyone, my name is Riya Bharti and you are watching Hind Today News. Cricket fans, get ready today. We are diving into history of the world's most exciting league, the Premier League (IPL). From its thrilling start in 2008 to becoming a billion-dollar spectacle, IPL has changed the game forever. History of the Indian Premier League, the biggest league in the cricketing world. The Indian Premier League is one of the most popular and expensive cricket league in the world. It is organized by the Board Control for Cricket in India, BCCI. IPL has not only given a new ayam to cricket but has also revolutionized the sport industry through player, franchise and broadcasting deal. Inspired by competition, in 2007, Zee Entertainment Enterprise launched the Indian Cricket League (ICL). However, this league has not received recognition from BCCI or the International Cricket Council (ICC). Additionally, BCCI was displeased that some of its committee member has joined the ICL executive teams. In response, BCCI ने क्या किया, प्राइज मनी बढ़ा दिया डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट के लिए और एक लाइफ टाइम बैन इम्पोज किया प्लेयर्स पे जिन्होंने ICCL ज्वाइन किया था, कंसीडरिंग इट अ रेबल लीग. In the beginning and the first season, IPL was officially launched in 2008 when BCCI announced the T20 League. The first season began on April 18, 2008 and Rajasthan Royals won the title by defeating Chennai Super King in final. शेन वॉर्न की कप्तानी के अंडर राजस्थान ने बहुत ही उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस दिया. हाउ वॉज IPL formed? After India T20 World Cup victory in 2007, the popularity of the T20 format skyrocketed. Recognized this, BCCI planned a franchise-based T20 league featuring player auction, corporate-owned team. The first IPL season was great enthusiast, and since then the league has become grander every year. The expansion and removal of IPL teams, कुछ नई टीमें जोड़ी गई और कुछ टीमें हटा दी गई. 2011 के शुरू होने से सीजन के शुरू होने से पहले दो नई टीमों को जोड़ा गया, पुणे वॉरियर इंडिया, कोची टस्कर्स केरला. However, कोची टस्कर्स केरला was removed after just one season because they failed to pay 10% of the bank guarantee to BCCI. In September 2012, BCCI terminated Deccan Chargers as the franchise, failed to find new owners. In October, a new auction was held and Sun TV network purchased the team, remaining it Sunrisers Hyderabad. In May 2013, Pune Warriors India decided to withdraw from the IPL due to a financial dispute with BCCI. By October 2013, BCCI officially removed the team, bringing the IPL back to its 8-team format. 2015 में चेन्नई सुपर किंग ने और राजस्थान रॉयल को सस्पेंड किया गया 2 सालों के लिए मैच फिक्सिंग और बैटिंग स्कैंडल की वजह से. These places were taken by 2 temporary teams, पुणे एंड राजकोट. फिर IPL 2020 में खेला गया UAE में ड्यू टू COVID-19 pandemic, hosted by the United Arab Emirates instead of India. IPL expansion, new teams and investment in foreign league. 2 new teams in IPL 2022. In August 2021, BCCI ने अनाउंस किया एडिशन ऑफ 2 नई टीमों का IPL में. The franchise auction was held in October 2021 where RPSG Group won the bid for 7,000 crore and CVC Capital won the bid for 5,200 crores. These 2 teams were later named as Lucknow Super Giant and Gujarat Titan. कुछ उम्दा पल IPL के. 2010 में चेन्नई सुपर किंग ने अपना पहला खिताब जीता. 2013 में मुंबई इंडियंस won first IPL trophy and went on to win 5 titles in total. 2016 में विराट कोहली ने एक नया रिकॉर्ड सेट किया 973 रन्स का इन अ सिंगल सीजन. 2022 में गुजरात टाइटन ने अपना पहला IPL जीता, वो भी अपने डेब्यू सीजन में ही. IPL teams owners expanding into foreign leagues. Investments in CPL, CA20, ILT20 and MLC. IPL franchise owner expanded their business by acquiring teams in other leagues such as Caribbean Premier League, South Africa CA20 League, UAE International League T20, Major League Cricket in the USA. Additionally, Delhi Capital owners GMR Group invested in Seattle Orcas. फिर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा ग्लोबली आईपीएल का? आईपीएल इज नॉट जस्ट अ क्रिकेट लीग बट अ ग्लोबल ब्रांड. इट इज ब्रॉडकास्ट इन ओवर 100 countries and its broadcasting rights are sold for billions of $. अब आईपीएल का नया सीजन शुरू हो रहा है 2025 में. सबकी आंखें 2025 के आईपीएल पे हैं, जहां पे 10 टीमें compete करती हैं फॉर द चैंपियनशिप टाइटल. Stay tuned because this league is not just cricket, it's emotion, entertainment and pure passion.